Okay, so this is a brown butter and sage sauce over tortellini. And I hesitated putting this in the cookbook and even making a video because it is such a ridiculously easy recipe to make. I mean, it's like 4 things. It's like pasta, sage, butter, salt, and water, if you want to count that as an ingredient. Fill your pot full of water, maybe about halfway, and add plenty of kosher salt. The next thing you want to do is take a stick of butter and melt it completely. Sage smells so good. So wash your sage, make sure it's dry, and then place 6 sage leaves into the butter. And you want to completely submerge the leaves so that they can soak up all the butter and fry. Go ahead and turn your heat up, and they'll get bright, vivid, and green. This takes very little time, but this is flavoring the butter with the sage essence, and it's also making the sage super crispy. So we'll garnish our pasta with the sage leaves after they're all done. So the butter is browning while the sage is frying up. All right, we can go ahead and turn our heat off. Take our last little guy out. There we are. The last thing we're going to add to our butter sauce is about a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. Stir that in and let that all come together. While our sauce is happy over there, let's make our pasta. Depending on what pasta you have, just follow the directions on the package. This was a refrigerated tortellini, so it only took maybe 5 minutes to boil. And when it's done, just place it into your butter. This is a very loose sauce. This is not a coat the back of your spoon sauce. Oh yeah, look at all those brown bits. Now our stove is off, and it's just reacting with the hot butter. And that is a brown butter sage sauce over tortellini. Oh, that's nice. Super rich. Lots of sage coming through. This is a classic combination. It is absolute magic. I hope you try it. I hope you make it. If you do, let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell, whatever needs to happen, and have fun in your kitchen. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. I need to get that piece. This one.